to start with like VFS. So giving you a quick background about VFS, it started in 1987. We started with just one program, that is film production. Now we have over 14 programs. All our programs are 1 year advanced diploma programs. So pretty much anything, if a student is looking into entertainment arts, like VFS is, the first choice in Canada. So we are, as the name suggests, we are based in downtown Vancouver in Canada, British Columbia, Canada. And as you all are aware, like Vancouver has a beautiful climate. The climatic conditions are amazing. It's not like extremely cold like other places in Canada, like you see in Toronto and all those places where it goes down to minus 10, 15 degrees. Vancouver climate is very favorable to especially our Indian students, because we are not used to extremely like cold weather conditions, right? So that's the thing about the climate I wanted to say. So as I said, BFS has all 1 year production. We call it production-based model. We have all 1 year advanced diploma programs. So you must be wondering, like, why do we have a 1 year program and why not a 2, 3, or a 4 year program, right? The reason being our format is such, our format is designed in such a way, it's a very intensive 1 year program. So ideally, what a student will learn in another school in 2 or 3 years, here the student can finish it in just 1 year. So the VFS prepares you, meticulously in just 1 year, that you are saving a lot on your living cost, as well as your expenses, living cost, and your time, of course, which is very important. So as you guys know, for VFS, for all our programs, we need a portfolio. So portfolio is a major requirement for all our programs. In case the student does not have a portfolio, they have to enroll into a foundation program. So as you see on the screen, introductory program, that is Introduction to Film, Animation, and Design. These are with individual specializations. This is a 1 year foundation program before, if the student does not have a portfolio. So for example, if I want to go for 3D animation, but I do not have any experience in 3D animation, so I can do the 1 year foundation program and then followed by the advanced diploma in 3D animation and visual effects. And if any student is interested in acting but has no experience in acting, or has no audition tape, or has never faced the camera, so student can enroll into the foundation program for acting essentials. So acting essentials, it's a 4 months foundation program before the actual acting for film and television advanced diploma. So acting essential is 4 months, the remaining one is the 1 year foundation program. We have a lot of design plus technology programs. As I mentioned about the animation, we have 3D animation and visual effects program. Then we have classical animation. So classical animation is, 2D animation. So basically, students who are interested in 2D animation. Then we have concept art animation. So concept art animation is conceptualizing, like for example, when you see a Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, right? So like you see Mickey Mouse cartoons, so you will see, what kind of cup will Mickey Mouse drink coffee in today, what will be the color of the wall, what will be color of the curtains, what will be the color of the dress, and what dress will be Minnie Mouse wearing today. So it's like all conceptualization, all of these ideas which go in that. So it's a very unique, like out of the box kind of a program. Concept art animation. Then we have digital design. So digital design includes motion design, interactive design, and communication design. So any students who are interested in probably graphic design, you can recommend them digital design, because graphic design is a part of digital design program as well. Then moving on to the next program, we have programming for web, mobile, and games. This will create interest in a lot of engineering students, especially. Then we have sound design. So sound design is like the use of imaginary sound in studios. So when we see all these movies like Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, we see all those dinosaurs creating those sounds. These are all imaginary sounds created in studios. Because personally, I mean, I have never met any dinosaur, right? So I don't know how they used to sound so many 100 years ago. So these are all imaginary sounds, like the raindrops and probably all those kind of sounds which can be heard in the studios, then which are created in the studios rather. Then game design. So game design, another very popular option in India and in the world. So game design involves the front end of the game, like what kind of characters would be there in the game, what is the storyline of the game, what would be the colors, what would be the map of the game, all that. So the more interesting the characters and story of the game, the more interesting, the program would be, the more interesting the game would be. Like probably right now people are still playing PUBG. The reason why it's so famous because it's very interesting. It's interesting due to the storyline and due to, like, you can become the character. So it really depends on all those factors. VR AR, this is the one we launched last year. So virtual reality, augmented reality design and development program. So virtual reality, not many students in the world, not many universities, sorry, in the world are offering VR AR. We are one of the few who are offering this program. This again creates a lot of interest among a lot of students, especially the engineering ones. Moving on to the next set of programs, we have film plus television programs. So we have acting for film and television. We have writing for film, television, and games. We have makeup design. So makeup design, again, very popular program. Makeup design does not mean you limit yourself to just beauty makeup. It also means the use of prosthetics. So when you see movies like, Avatar, where, you have those large ears and nose and, all this weird makeup, that's all prosthetics. If you see like a 20-year-old woman into a 80-year-old woman by use of makeup, that's all makeup, right? Burnt marks, scar marks. So all those are use of, makeup. Our makeup artists are involved. Sound design we discussed. Then film production. So film production is again a very popular program, especially in South and North India. So we have a lot of students who apply. In fact, film production is so popular, most of our program gets filled almost a year in advance. So film production is a complete package program. So you learn all the aspects of film making in the film production program. So there's direction, cinematography, production, post-production, production design, all are covered in the film production program. Okay. And so as I mentioned, VFS is a 1-year advanced diploma program. So there's no automatic work permit after you complete your studies at VFS. For some programs, we do have a day called Industry Day where student can, will be interviewed by industry people coming to our campus. Like similar to like what we have a concept called campus placements in India, but it does not guarantee, we do not guarantee any job placement because VFS is a private school. Unless the company is ready to sponsor your visa, then you can be there. And if a person does not get a job in the industry day, we do have beautiful pathway options. So we have a lot of pathway options. We have tie-up with Royal Roads University, BCIT, Capilano University, Regents. Recently we tied up with MET Film School London, where student can just study 1-year masters after finishing 1 year at VFS, and they can get up to 2 years open work permit in either London or Berlin. Or if the student wants to remain in Canada, we have options like Royal Road University, Capilano, where student can study 2 years and get up to 3 years open work permit. So there are a lot of different options on what student wants to do. If a student wants to do something in management after he finishes 1 year at VFS, so they have option at BCIT where they can do an advanced diploma in business and then can get up to 2 or 3 years open work permit. So it really depends what the student further wants to do. We have different options for the student. These are rankings. If you see on the page, we are like highly ranked, as you might say. We have great credentials. We are number 1 in the web and mobile school. We are number 1 in the world for animation. Top 15 global game design schools in the world. Top 25 global film schools in the world. So number 1 in Canada for animation. Number 1 film and media school. So you can see our rankings, our credentials are really high. So the student, like, really has to be focused, really has to be interested in what the student wants to do. We really look out for quality students. That's the reason we do like pre-assessment. Like if you guys send us a student, who send us the portfolio basically, so we'll pre-assess it for free. for you guys, so that we can also filter out the quality. It's easier for you, the student, and for us. So after pre-assessment, we can tell whether this we can let you know whether the student is eligible or not eligible for the program. So these are all movies last year where VFS alumni were a part of successful projects. Anywhere between 8 alumni to 107 alumni were a part of successful projects. If you can see the screen, like Deadpool 2, Spider-Man, there's Lion King. There are few which are not there. Toy Story 4, the Star Wars, Game of Thrones, which we had 107 alumni who took part last year in different areas. So, like, we have a lot of VFS alumni who have contributed to these blockbuster movies. Coming to the admission process, our admission process is slightly different as compared to other schools, in the world. So we focus more on the creative potential of the student. We are not much concerned about the grades or the percentages which the student has. So even if a student has 50% or above but has a great portfolio, we would consider it, because we are not like a science or technology kind of school. We are more of like a creative art school, so we focus more on the creative potential. So apart from the portfolio, if the student does not have a portfolio, as I told you earlier, we have an option of foundation program as well before the advanced diploma program. So apart from the portfolio, we need IELTS, which is 6.5 with no band less than 6. If the student is going for the foundation program, then they need 6 with no band less than 6. Okay. Apart from that, we need 2 letter of recommendation. It could be from the student school or college, or if the student is working somewhere. Basically, anyone who can vouch for the student's creativity. It could be a combination of one from college and one from the workplace. So it could be that, but we can't accept references or LORs from family or friends. That wouldn't be acceptable. Then we need all the academic documents from grade 12 onwards. The best thing about VFS, a student can join any of our advanced program either after 12th grade or after their bachelor's in India. So it's like open for all. You can either join any of our programs after you finish your grade 12 or after you finish your bachelor's. So it's applicable for both. And yes, as I said that it's a very intensive program. Currently, till we have heard that the IELTS test and all are taking time. So currently we are also accepting Duolingo test with a score of 104 or above for conditional acceptance. But whether these will be accepted by the Canadian embassy or not, that you need to check. Whether so currently we are having those options also. So that's it from my end. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to write in the chat window, and Dorothy would be addressing to those questions. And also I wanted to add one more thing. Right now, because of the lockdown situation, we also have very exciting online programs. We have online workshops. So anybody who's probably waiting for not going to Canada right now and want to try out our workshops, please visit our website, vfs.edu/online programs, and you can see a lot of online workshops and interesting, exciting programs to get to have a look into.